rain again. David, I'm at the airport pub at Manchester Airport. It's on Facebook and Instagram. Right, Wayne. I shall see you tomorrow, Wayne, if you're on. Yes, dear, look, they call it crabbing, you know, into the wind, like biting into the wind to catch the lift, to get that lift. That's what they're doing. It's called crabbing. Hi, Nick, one day. Hi, Nick, Here it goes. Pretty strong, it sure is. John Casey, Manchester Airport. Leave a pinned comment. David, I'm not from Aussie, mate. Nah. From Manchester with it, so sorted our kid. Mad for it. I'm at the pub, not reviewing it. Oh, did you go there before, John? Right. Yeah, David. I sound like an Australian. There you go. I can hum the tune to Skippy. Good spot, Leon. Sure is, mate.